Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Crunchy chicken cheeseburger. First, we're gonna start with marinating the chicken. And I use this condensed milk, and it's a little bit sweetened. I put in 2 cans. And you can do it however you like it, but I like condensed milk. But you can also use buttermilk if you like. Now we're gonna add some seasoning. I put in 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, black pepper, and a lot of garlic powder. I also gonna add some smoked paprika. Now give this all a good mix. I bought these beautiful chicken breasts and we're gonna put it in our mixture. And then it will go in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. But if you're not in a hurry, then do it for about 24 hours. The marinade will completely get into the chicken and make it even more tender, more spicy, more flavorful. Now, this will go in the fridge. Grab yourself a plate and we're gonna use some panko. I always use this Cup Panco. They're really good. You can also use this for sushi. Grab yourself a marinated chicken breast and put it in the panko. Really cover the whole chicken breast. This step, you really have to massage it in. And it's so relaxing, thinking about the burger we're gonna make and putting all those delicious flavor in it and covering it with this delicious panko. Oh boy, I know this is gonna be delicious. Let me know in the comments if you like panko. Grab yourself the air fryer basket, and here we're gonna put in our marinated panko covered chicken. I also use this Bertolli spray of olive oil, just a little bit to make it extra crunchy. This will go in for about 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes, this is the result. But we're gonna turn it, spray it, and do it for 6 minutes again. Now let's start making our burger. I bought these brioche buns. They're really delicious and a little bit sweet. Some sriracha mayonnaise. This will go on the bottom. And I put about 2 tablespoons worth on it. Now some pickles. Oh yes, delicious. Here comes our crunchy chicken. And it rested for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it's really crunchy. Some red cheddar cheese. Oh yes. And I'm gonna, oh yes, flamethrow it and make it all bubbly. Oh yes, bubbly cheese. That's so good, so delicious. Now look at that bubbling. And it really smells very nice, cheesy. And I like some toasted cheese. This will give it also some extra texture and flavor. Oh yes, melted cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Oh, look at that bubbling. Yes, delicious. Now, I'm gonna put on some greens. It looks good and it tastes also amazing. Now the top of the bun and it's ready. Now look at that. Crunchy, cheesy chicken burger. Oh yes. Now let's see how it looks inside. Oh yes, juicy, delicious, crunchy chicken. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my crunchy cheese chicken burger. And as always, see you next time. If you're new to the channel, then I hope you subscribe Give me a like and leave me a comment.